Hello my old school soul food fans, family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Hey, today I'm going to be doing something. Happy Easter, by the way. If you're seeing this after Easter, I'm sorry. But if I didn't get it uploaded in time. But this is something I do every Easter since growing up. I'm doing today honey glazed ham and the glazed sweet potatoes. That's two staples I always eat on Easter. So it's a little recipe I'm going to share with y'all. Matter of fact, the recipe is so simple. The glaze for the ham and the glaze for the sweet potato is kind of similar. A couple of ingredients missing out of each. Other than that, they're pretty much the same ingredient. So the process is very simple. A sweet potato, all it is, like I say, if y'all follow me long enough, you know my sweet potato. I try to get the same size sweet potato and I bake them in the skin. The reason I bake them in the skin, I've been saying this for years. If you bake them in the skin instead of boiling them, it's really common sense knowledge. Anytime you boil something, you boil away the natural nutrients and the color in your vegetables. It goes away in the water. If you bake them in the skin, you preserve the natural sweetness of the sweet potato and the color. You have a brighter color and a sweeter potato. It's natural. It's just common sense knowledge. People have been debating me for years. Oh, I boil. You should. No, you're boiling away everything. Everything goes away in the water. So anyway, I put four potatoes. I'm gonna bake them at 350 degrees for about an hour. You try to get the same size potato. Now on the ham, same process. I use one of these pans. Most times I use my pan, but when I make the glazed ham, it gets your pan all sticky and greasy. So I just go. This costs $1, $1.50, $2 at Walmart or the dollar store. Just get one of these pans, and I buy our hams already spiraled. This ham is actually already cooked, of course, but I'm gonna cook an additional hour and then an additional 45 minutes after to put the glaze on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay it on its side like this. I'm gonna cover it in foil, and I'm gonna cook it like this for 1 hour. Very simple. So easy. You can actually take a nap on this one, y'all. You can actually put this in the oven, take you about a half an hour nap. Come back and do the next process. And just cover it up with foil. Keep it covered. Put in the oven. Back next to my sweet potatoes. Put in the oven here. Let that cook for an hour. And we're going to be back and we're going to do the glaze for the sweet potatoes and the ham, which is so simple. So we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back here. Okay, remember we put the ham and the sweet potatoes in the oven at the same time? Okay, here's the sweet potatoes here. It's ready. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to let these cool about 30-45 minutes. I'm going to put these on the side. They're nice and, see? Nice and tender. They cook for 1 hour and 10 minutes. About an hour and 10 minutes. I'm going to put these over in the side. And now I'm going to take my ham out. Remember we had our ham in here. All covered up nicely. I'm going to take it out of here. Because we're going to make a glaze for this ham. And put it back in the oven uncovered. See how that looks? It's awesome, doesn't it? Okay, now this is what we're going to do. It's going to be very simple. Let's see on the side here. What I'm going to do, I got brown sugar in here. In here, all I got is cinnamon. This recipe is on the description of the video, here too. Cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, all brown. And honey. I'm going to add the honey to the brown sugar here. In fact, I'm going to take this off of here. Y'all going to think that's a lot of sugar, a lot of sweetening. Actually, it's not that much because the sweetness is going to balance out the saltness of the ham. So what we're going to do now, mix this in the bowl here. What I like to do, it's just so thick. What I'm going to do, just a second here. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for just a second here and let it, that's what I'm gonna do. Brown sugar off of here. Gonna put it in the microwave for like maybe 1 minute so it can go on the ham better. But you can see how the ham is all. What we're gonna do, we want to put that glaze right between the layers of this ham. You see how the juices come out of the ham? So what we're gonna do, let's see, like this here. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Warm that up just slightly there so we can kind of see what we're doing here. Okay, that's what we want. Now we're just gonna brush this right on that glaze, all on that. Look at that. And get that glaze all in between them layers. That's the key. The glaze go in between those layers of the ham. Make sure you get it all on there. And don't worry about switching the ham over, upside down or whatever, because that glaze going all in between there. That's the key. All in between them layers there. See that? That's what we're gonna do, right there. Now, what we're gonna do during the process, we're supposed to put it back in the oven, uncovered of course. Every 30 minutes, we're gonna do it for another 45 minutes. But every 10, 20 minutes I do, I'm gonna, see these natural juices in here? I'm gonna base that with these natural juices in here. I'm gonna base it on top of the ham just like that, where you get a nice color. Cause all that's gonna come off in the pan, and all we're gonna do is base it like that. So we're gonna put it in the oven another hour, about almost an hour, and let it cook uncovered. Gonna have a nice caramelization on it from the sugar and a nice sweetness. So let's get that in the oven. And we'll be right back. We let the potatoes rest. We're gonna be right back. We're gonna make the glaze for the sweet potatoes. We're gonna peel the potatoes, slice them, put them in the pan, and this meal gonna come together so quickly. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna make our sweet potatoes. I'll peel the potatoes. Here's the skin, because some people don't believe, oh, he didn't peel it. Here's the skin to the potato. I just peeled them. And see how nice these are, nice and orange. I lost no nutrients. I lost no sugar out of them, and I preserved the color. See how pretty that is? That's what you want to do. That's the advantage of baking your potatoes in the oven in the skin. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set these potatoes aside here before I get my glaze going, because I wanna make this right here. I wanna glaze my ham one more time here while I'm making my sauce. Get the ham out. Like I was telling y'all already, every 30 minutes, I'm gonna take this juice, see them juices in there, the glaze. You just wanna go on top of that. And what it is, it's gonna glaze this ham all the way through. Also, it's gonna stop it from drying out. You're gonna have a nice juicy ham. All them juices is, like I say, you do this every 30 minutes. The juices that's in the pan, all that nice brown sugar and honey, cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, all that flavor is going into the ham. So that's what we're doing here. We're just gonna do that every 30 minutes, 20 minutes or so. Just do that. And you're creating a nice crust on it. Plus you marinate and you're flavoring them all the way through. See how pretty that ham is? Awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back in the oven. It's got about 30 more minutes to go on it. Alrighty. While that's cooking in the oven, we're gonna start our glaze here for our ham. Okay, all it is, like I said, I'm gonna have no cameraman these past few weeks, so gotta work alone here. Y'all bear with me. Okay. Look, the sweet potato glaze is very simple. I know y'all seen it before. Put this in the oven. That's secret ingredient right there. Okay, all it is brown sugar. Very simple. Butter. Like I said, the recipe is on the description of the video. Cinnamon, nutmeg. And my secret ingredient right here, I just put in the microwave. Butterscotch. That's it. You're going to turn this on. Let this melt together. And that's your glaze. I've had comments after comments after comments that people use this for their sweet potatoes now. How their family is just overwhelmingly just surprised and grateful of this recipe. So simple, awesome recipe. Like I say, you got all the goodness in there. The brown sugar, butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and that butterscotch, something I created about 20 years ago. I needed something to make the sweet potato flavor just really balance and just pop. And that did it. That was the key right there. The butterscotch topping. And butterscotch topping, you find it over there where you get the ice cream toppings in the grocery store. That's where you find it. And all you're going to do is just let that melt. So while that's doing that, I'm going to put my sweet potatoes, I'm going to slice them, put them in my baking dish here. Like I say, this is just so simple and easy. You just slice them like this. And it's a key also, don't overcook your sweet potatoes, because you want them to look nice when you put them in your casserole dish. You know what I'm saying? Just so this thing is so easy. So simple and easy. And this glaze takes 2 minutes. 2 minutes to cook. Looks like I'm going to turn it off now while I slice my potatoes up. So you don't have to have Thanksgiving to have some good glazed sweet potatoes, right? That's what I say. Okay, one more here. Slice them right there. See how pretty that is? Nice. Okay, it not only look good, tastes awesome. So bring this up here. I guarantee you, I don't really suggest a lot of recipes religiously, but this recipe right here is something that if you try and do, I guarantee you will email me and direct message me that it's the best thing you ever done. So that's done. Now all we're gonna do, we're gonna just pour the glaze on top of it. We're going to put it back in the oven for about a minute. All you're going to do is this. Look at that. Nice, good in the glaze there. And the yams there. And that's it. And we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to bake it in the oven. Additional, 10 minutes there. That'll get a nice caramelization on it. And that'll be pretty much it. So we'll put it in the oven here. About 10-15 minutes. When we come back, we're going to put this whole meal together. The ham will be ready. The sweet potatoes will be ready. We'll plate it up and be time to eat this some good old Easter lunch. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, let's check our stuff here. Oh, yeah, them glazed sweet potatoes. Look at that. Oh, yeah, nice and bubbly. That's what you want. Okay, now let's get our ham out of here. Everything's ready at the same time. All right. And now we're going to put a little bit more glaze on it. We're going to put a little bit more of this on there and make it look nice. See that? Perfect. It's not dry. Nice and flavorful. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna let this rest here for a second. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna fix me an Easter plate here. We're gonna have us a happy Easter with some glazed sweet potatoes, candy yam, however you wanna put it, and honey baked ham. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, let's plate some of this up here. I'm gonna get a little piece of this ham off of there. Wow, see how juicy that is? See how juicy that ham is? You can also use that sauce there. A little sauce there, put on top of that. Look at that, that nice glaze. Use the same spoon here and give me a little of these sweet potatoes out of here. Look at that. Oh yeah, you can't go wrong with this, y'all. Let me get me a fork. This is so gonna be so good here. Okay, we got this tender ham here. Cut, of course, you can cut it with the fork. Pieces, pull it off with my hand. Nice and juicy, not dry. Like sweet potato. Good stuff, y'all. What's better than ham and candy yam? What's better than this? Nothing. Old school here, y'all. Definitely old school. Wow. That's good stuff. Alright, y'all. I'm going to end this video. Wish everybody a happy Easter. Please share, please subscribe, please visit my other social media account. And until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. Happy Easter.